I don't know where it is written that we are not allowed to sit. We are very peaceful. I'm not peaceful.
Long live, long live, long live, long live, long live.
We want
Long live, long
the assembly. We must be raised. We never.
사람은 왜 이렇게 동?
I know. Okay, orang bilang sekolah pelan luar dia. Bau ini kurang bisa ya. Dengan minister, I50 Ronald senang musuh. Bau ini demand totong kiri. Kau boleh roman sekali meeting.
MA master degree ungkon azgane question paper ogonu go je bangla te roman kuni bene question ngo te answer hingi any choice pia bata board exam ni khetra hunke question o ma heke khak jage tongman not jage tongman tam sanai sir
Sunukam Sunu Tripura board Tripura University Roman script set kayo TPSC board scoop kayo on a competitive exam rago TSR telang prubo even in TSR ni poso arabo Roman script use kayo. But sometimes look at double standard in the Tripura board examination. I don't understand what is the reason. I'm buzi maya. Kintu some double standard look at tam standard look. Suru Bengali script kaisa some use playo on your Tripura TSR telang pruka Roman script use playo. Mizo subject no Lusai subject. No Roman script by question paper print kay mano. And bon by tam allergy nang zaka zekok borong ka borong use playa. Playa Roman by Pali language. Tripura board of being official or boni Tripura body order naik ke Roman script use kayo Mizobo use kayo Roman script but kok borong ni bagi tanglik lai mania question apa nu government bor decision nangnai immediately amon solve kai nangnai.
Parliament or the assembly rogo ba hino or baksa MLS ro ko borok beno ko seimano ko borok beno question bol khai tong man but exam ko tang o ma hina ko like sa tan sanai
Kok borok baino sai tong tabuk abono assembly ko borok baino sai tong kaham kok belai sung appreciate klai abono kintu all board examination no tangi borok roman script no include klai ya abono decision nara nangnai je roman script no use klai nang kintu government kun policy kri je bangla no simi use klai nani bon kun policy kri ambagi request kayo government of Tripura immediately issue no solve klai di tambai inke amoni issue solve klai ya ke student future belai ham yang mai tai Tripura bo kama angrote bo ngai an bagi amo immediately solve klai nang tambai inke roman script bai ko set kama bor porima ya bangla bai bor porimen bai answer kam kari maya ge dictate klai maya borok they cannot be dictator
थानाय सालाव थानाय मन्त्रि नेता मन्त्रि न फारां मिनिस्टार न फारां टिचार नि जे दर फारां टिचार माने आबो न फारां बुजरते ने मिनिस्टार बासाय मा खानि वानसुमनो
borok bujorti sati saya mau tahu bang lebar Tripurani lukurok luknai Tripura lukurono decide klai nai minister of creativity saya opposition leader tong sabo Jitendra Chaudhary bokhorja koborok sanai being an opposition leader bokhor kisan nango tabuk ruling ni MLA tongo BJP ni MLA ro jon kuthai sujak IPFT ni minister tongo bormona sukla tura nuatia
angki sama kebeng sinai do orto bebe sinda boron nugi tongang
Borok-
khorcha executive administrating ai
Bo-
ma saukisa nongor demand to logical no tongo fiaba abo mona
आप लोग सब जानते हैं हम लोग का जो डिमांड है रोमन स्क्रिप्ट इट्स मोर देन 50 ईयर तो आज आप लोग जानते हैं आज असेंबली है तो आप लोग लास्ट टाइम में भी प्रोटेस्ट किया था सर्किट हाउस में अभी तक वो लोग असेंबली में नहीं उठाया ये डिमांड के लिए रोमन स्क्रिप्ट के लिए मेन इशूज तो इसलिए हम आज लोग वी नीड टू कम टू द गेट ऑफ द असेंबली टू शो आवर डिमांड टू द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ त्रिपुरा दे मस्ट लिसन टू आवर वॉइस. It is a matter of sentiment. It is a matter of our identity. So we must protect our rights. So we want the ministers to listen to our voice and raise the issues of Roman script in the assembly. That's why we are here today in front of the assembly.
इससे पहले भी आप लोग प्रोटेस्ट किया था मगर कुछ फायदा नहीं हुआ अभी आप लोग क्या क्यों नहीं हो रहा है क्या
I also don't understand what is the reason. Even the government officials are not willing to talk to us. We have submitted our letter to the Special Secretary Education Department for appointment, but he is not willing to meet. He is not willing to meet us. I don't know why. So it's a part of the failure of the government. They should have come for the dialogue with us, but no, we have not seen any steps taken from the part of the government on this matter. So it's okay. We'll keep on protesting. We'll keep on demanding for our rights, no matter how long they can try to, stop us from our agenda. But we'll keep on fighting for the rights of the people, for the indigenous people.
Sir, there are lots of indigenous representatives in the ruling government. What are their position? Are they supporting you?
See, the regional party, we have been also telling them, there are parties from IPFT in the government, coalition government. We have also asked Sukla Turanumati, want to tell him from here, clear message. Being a minister of the indigenous people, you must raise the issue in the assembly. They should make clear their stand on the issues of Roman script.
Are you upset with the people? Means the people who are with the government.
Pardon?
Are you upset with the leaders, indigenous leaders?
We are upset or not, the people will decide. It is the people who will decide whether they are upset or not with the leaders of the indigenous people who are representing the people in the assembly.